Pennsylvania is a captivating state that spans multiple distinct regions of the United States, including the Northeast, the Great Lakes area, the Mid-Atlantic, and the Appalachian region. Nicknamed the Keystone State, Pennsylvania is known for much more than its vibrant metropolitan hubs and famous cities like Philadelphia and Pittsburgh. Beyond these bustling urban centers, you'll find an array of charming small towns, each with its own unique history and hidden gems just waiting to be uncovered. Often unnoticed, these small towns quietly hold on to their unique charm and deep-rooted history. Many boast tight-knit communities, scenic countryside views, and plenty of opportunities for outdoor adventure. Visitors can marvel at beautifully preserved Victorian-style architecture while soaking in a sense of warmth and hospitality that feels increasingly rare in today's fast-moving world. From a town famously dubbed the Switzerland of America to those that played key roles in the American Civil War, Pennsylvania's small towns are rich in history and tradition. Some are hidden treasures showcasing the grandeur of the Victorian era, while others provide peaceful retreats surrounded by scenic hiking trails and endless opportunities for outdoor adventure. Whether you're a history lover, an architecture enthusiast, or just looking for a quiet escape, these charming small towns across Pennsylvania deserve to be in the spotlight. They provide a window into the state's rich heritage and offer a slower, more picturesque way of life, perfect for a weekend getaway or even a longer stay. Jim Thorpe. Jim Thorpe is one of the most intriguing small towns in the United States, yet surprisingly, it remains unknown to many. Tucked away in the picturesque Pocono Mountains of northeastern Pennsylvania, roughly 134 kilometers, 83 miles northwest of Philadelphia, this historic town exudes a unique charm that's hard to find elsewhere. Surrounded by towering peaks and dense forests, its stunning landscape has rightfully earned it the nickname the Switzerland of America. Founded in 1818 as a coal mining town, Jim Thorpe was originally known as Mauch Chunk, a Lenape Native American term meaning bare place. However, in 1954, the town was renamed to honor James Francis Thorpe, the legendary athlete who became the first Native American to win an Olympic gold medal. The story behind this name change is captivating in its own right, adding yet another layer of intrigue to this already remarkable town. Jim Thorpe's charm shines through its beautifully preserved historic buildings, crafted from weathered brick and stone, now housing an inviting blend of quaint shops, cozy restaurants, charming cafes, and lively bars. The town's stunning Victorian-style architecture and majestic churches create a visual masterpiece, further enhancing its timeless appeal. One of the most enchanting ways to experience Jim Thorpe is by boarding the Lehigh Gorge Scenic Railroad, a vintage train that winds through the picturesque countryside, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding natural beauty. For history enthusiasts, the Asa Packer Mansion Museum is a must-see. This impressive Victorian-era estate, once the residence of a wealthy railroad magnate, provides a fascinating glimpse into the luxurious lifestyle of the 19th century, complete with well-preserved furnishings and intriguing artifacts. Another standout is the Mauch Chunk Museum and Cultural Center, where visitors can immerse themselves in the town's rich industrial past and vibrant cultural history. Bellefonte. If you're in search of an authentic Victorian-era treasure, look no further than Bellefonte. Located just 12 miles northeast of State College, this charming town is nestled within the State College metropolitan area in Pennsylvania. With a population of just over 5,000, Bellefonte has rightfully earned the title the Victorian Jewel, thanks to its stunning collection of grand, beautifully preserved Victorian-style homes that transport visitors straight back to a bygone era. A walk through Bellefonte's historic downtown unveils a charming collection of boutique shops and antique stores, many housed within meticulously preserved 19th century buildings. For those looking for a touch of luxury, Reynolds Mansion Luxury Bed and Breakfast provides an unforgettable boutique hotel experience. Guests can indulge in elegant accommodations, savor a delicious gourmet breakfast, relax in beautifully decorated suites, enjoy the marble verandas, and even unwind in the billiard room, infusing their visit with a touch of sophistication. Bellefonte is a true gem for history enthusiasts. This charming town is home to the American Philatelic Society, which houses the country's premier stamp collectors museum, an absolute treasure trove for those fascinated by the art and history of philately. Another highlight worth exploring is the historical railroad, which offers seasonal train rides from magical Christmas-themed journeys to stunning autumn foliage tours that showcase the breathtaking beauty of the surrounding countryside. For those who love the great outdoors, Bellefonte offers plenty of opportunities for adventure. Whether you're gliding through the calm waters of Spring Creek in a kayak or trekking along scenic hiking trails nearby, this charming town strikes the perfect balance between relaxation and outdoor excitement. Gettysburg. Gettysburg remains one of the most historically significant towns in the United States, forever remembered as the site of the pivotal Battle of Gettysburg, which took place from July 1st to July 3rd, 1863. During this brutal confrontation, more than 165,000 soldiers converged on this small town, then home to just 2,400 residents, resulting in over 51,000 casualties and the loss of nearly 5,000 horses. Though the Civil War raged on for another 2 years, this battle proved to be a decisive turning point, embodying the profound sacrifices made in the fight to reunite a divided nation. It was on this sacred ground that President Abraham Lincoln delivered the iconic Gettysburg Address, a powerful 271-word speech that opened with the timeless phrase, "407 years ago." Today, visitors can step back in time and explore the town's deep historical roots by visiting Little Round Top, a key landmark within Gettysburg National Cemetery. Here, they can reflect on the war's enduring legacy and gain a deeper appreciation for the sacrifices that shaped the nation's future. It was on this revered battlefield that President Abraham Lincoln delivered the legendary Gettysburg Address, a powerful 271-word speech that opened with the unforgettable phrase, "407 years ago." Today, visitors can fully immerse themselves in Gettysburg's rich history by exploring Little Round Top, a key landmark within the Gettysburg National Cemetery. For anyone intrigued by Lincoln's legacy and the fight to end slavery, a trip to Lincoln Square is an absolute must. Gettysburg provides countless opportunities to delve into its rich past, offering guided tours through the Gettysburg National Military Park. Whether exploring on foot, by bike, in a car, on horseback, or even in a classic horse-drawn carriage, visitors can experience the battlefield in a truly immersive and unforgettable way. Just a short drive from Washington, D.C., Philadelphia, and New York City, Gettysburg welcomes over 3.5 million visitors each year. While its deep historical significance is the main draw, the town has much more to offer beyond its storied past. Visitors can explore charming boutique shops, savor delicious meals at cozy restaurants, sample wines at local wineries, and browse lively farmers markets, all of which contribute to Gettysburg's warm and inviting atmosphere. But Gettysburg's history isn't just something you read about. It's something many believe still lingers in a more supernatural way. The town has gained a reputation for its paranormal activity, with numerous sites said to be haunted by the restless spirits of fallen soldiers. In 2020, chilling footage capturing ghostly figures crossing a road reignited speculation that the past may not be as distant as it seems in this historic town. Lancaster County. Tucked away in the heart of Pennsylvania, Lancaster County is home to one of the oldest and largest Amish communities in the United States. This remarkable group has remained largely untouched by the fast-moving currents of modern life, preserving traditions that date back centuries. Their origins trace back to the 16th century Protestant Reformation, a time when they fled Europe to escape religious persecution. After settling in North America, they built tight-knit communities that have not only survived but flourished, staying true to their deeply rooted values and time-honored way of life. In some areas of Lancaster County, the roar of highway traffic gradually fades, replaced by the steady clip-clop of horse-drawn buggies, a hallmark of Amish life. At the heart of the Amish village, visitors get a rare glimpse into a world where faith, simplicity, and humility shape everyday existence. The Amish follow a strict traditional lifestyle, dressing modestly and intentionally avoiding modern conveniences like electricity, automobiles, and advanced technology, all in a steadfast commitment to their deeply rooted religious beliefs. Even as the world around them continues to evolve, the Amish way of life has remained largely unchanged for centuries. Their daily routines are shaped by unwavering values of service, devotion, and strong community ties. In Lancaster County, their priorities follow a distinct order. Faith comes first, followed by family, and then their tightly knit community. Visitors to the area have the unique opportunity to immerse themselves in this remarkable culture by visiting local farms, bustling markets, and artisan workshops. Here, handcrafted goods, homemade delicacies, and exceptional craftsmanship showcase the Amish commitment to quality and a strong work ethic. Centralia. In 1962, a small town in eastern Pennsylvania was unknowingly set on a path to disaster, a mistake so severe that it would continue to smolder beneath the ground for decades. It all started just before Memorial Day, when heaps of trash had piled up in a massive 300-foot-wide pit scattered across various spots in town. Wanting to clean up the area, the town council, along with local residents, chose to burn the waste, a routine practice in those days. What they didn't anticipate, however, was that Centralia rested above a vast network of coal mines, and the flames from the burning trash had unknowingly ignited a deep coal seam. Believing the fire would eventually burn itself out, they chose to wait. But days stretched into weeks, weeks into years, and now, more than 60 years later, experts believe the fire is still burning beneath the town. The underground inferno is believed to span around 12 kilometers, 7.5 miles, scorching an area of approximately 15 square kilometers, 5.8 square miles, with flames reaching depths of up to 300 feet. Experts warn that the fire could continue burning for another 250 years, reducing the land above to a barren, uninhabitable wasteland. Once a thriving hub within the Bloomsburg-Berwick metropolitan area, Centralia has now been reduced to little more than a ghost town. At its peak in 1980, Centralia was home to nearly 1,000 residents, but by 2020, that number had dwindled to just 5. In 1992, the Pennsylvania government exercised eminent domain, officially condemning the town and forcing most residents to leave. However, a small group of determined individuals challenged the decision and ultimately won the right to remain in their homes for the rest of their lives. Despite its haunting emptiness, Centralia still draws curious tourists and urban explorers. Crumbling buildings and deserted roads, many adorned with graffiti and striking street art, have transformed sections of the town into an open-air gallery. Among these, the most well-known site, dubbed the Graffiti Highway, has become a hotspot for thrill seekers and photographers alike. Mifflinburg. Nestled in the heart of Pennsylvania's scenic Susquehanna River Valley, Mifflinburg is a charming town with a rich German heritage. Surrounded by rolling farmland and vast stretches of unspoiled wilderness, it boasts stunning natural beauty. and countless opportunities for outdoor adventure. Among its most beloved natural treasures is Raymond B. Winter State Park, a sprawling 695-hectare, 1,717-acre retreat that offers year-round activities like camping, hiking, and boating. Bordered by the breathtaking Bald Eagle State Forest, the park serves as a paradise for both nature enthusiasts and thrill seekers alike. For those seeking a more tranquil retreat, Sandbridge State Park provides a peaceful escape with its quiet forest trails and gently flowing streams, ideal for fishing, picnicking, or simply relaxing in nature's embrace. Whether you're an avid hiker or just in search of a scenic getaway, Mifflinburg's lush landscapes offer a refreshing break from the fast pace of everyday life. Beyond its breathtaking scenery, Mifflinburg is a town rich in history and culture. One of its most notable attractions is the Mifflinburg Buggy Museum, which offers a journey back to the 19th century when the town thrived as a major center for horse-drawn carriage production. The museum showcases a remarkable collection of historic buggies, giving visitors a first-hand look at the craftsmanship and innovation of the time. Expert-led guided tours provide captivating stories and insights into Mifflinburg's vibrant past, making it a must-visit for history enthusiasts.